In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to an RDP server using Windows. So we are going to connect to a Windows RDP server, and we're going to do that from Windows itself. You can use this same method to connect to servers that are running other operating systems as long as they have a desktop application installed on them. So here is my server and is the IP address. So you need a public IP address of your server. And I'm using a free server from Microsoft Azure. If you want to know how you can get a free Microsoft Azure account, check the link in the description. You can see here there is $151 of free credits remaining, and I can use this to create RDP servers. So to get started connecting, open up your Windows search bar and search for remote desktop. As soon as you start typing remote desktop, you will see this app show up, which is remote desktop connection. So this is the app we are going to use. Open it, and then here on the computer field, it should be empty if it is your first time using this app. Then paste that IP address of the server that you just copied. Then you can click here on show options, and then enter the username of your server. In my case, it is this one. And now you can click on allow save credentials if you want this remote desktop app to save your username and password. So after that, click on connect. Then you see this pop-up asking for the server password. So type your server password, and then click on OK. This will ask if you want to save this certificate. You can click on don't ask me again for connections to this computer, then click yes. That takes a few minutes, and now you are in your remote desktop server, which is the RDP server. As you can see, my server is running on Windows Data Center 2022 Azure Edition. So you can move your cursor up here, and then here you can see the connection info. This will be the strength between your connection and the RDP server. And then you can even move this around. Now you can even pin it at the top so that it doesn't disappear even if you move your mouse away from it, or like this, it will disappear if you start working in the remote desktop server. Now here you can minimize it, then come back at it like this, or you can click on restore, and then you have a small window. You can resize it however you want. And also, if you want to disconnect from the server, you just click on that close button. Yeah, and that is it. So that's it about the video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.